Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Hey, shut the hell up, back up.
What starts as a graduation celebration quickly turns into Fight Club chaos with an angry mom making things even worse. Let's start with it.
We got about 40, 50 people fighting inside. Excuse me, buddy. Hey, start grabbing people. Grab him. He's going.
My mom was not fighting.
Okay, we'll figure that out.
Sit on your butt.
I didn't do nothing. I was breaking up the fight.
Listen.
I was breaking up the fight. I was breaking up the fight. I didn't do shit. Man, this is some bullshit. And then you got this one here who flung me on the ground for that.
Do you want to go home or not?
I'm going home. I know I'm going home.
Listen. Can you listen?
No, I can't because I'm upset.
They didn't know what you were doing. You were coming out. You can't come up behind me like that.
I didn't come up behind you.
My mom was not trying to fight. Let her go. Listen, Qualik, whatever your name is. She did not move. She did not budge.
Carl, just have her sit down. Just have her sit down right here.
See that one on the wall? He swung.
What's that?
The one on the wall swung too.
Okay. She's saying the one, this guy swung too or something like that, but dude, when we were here like 40 people went out of it, so there's no telling.
Come here. No. Let him go, please. Get your hands on your back. Hands on your back.
He grabbed him. That's my son. He's okay.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
Easy.
Don't resist.
Easy.
Easy.
Man, I need you back up, okay?
Okay.
Relax.
He's fine. He ain't doing nothing.
He's pulling away.
If you don't stop racing, it's going to be bad for you.
Let's just get him out of here. Come on, bud. Relax. We gotta talk to you.
I'm responsible for him.
I know, ma'am, please move for me. Ma'am, please move.
No,
Just
I'm
please
going with
leave.
you.
We'll
Okay.
talk to you in a minute, okay? Just
So
hang
can
on.
I follow you?
Just 1 second.
He was just in here. He didn't do anything.
We'll talk to you just a second. Just a second.
Why would y'all leave him? He didn't do anything.
Hang on 1 second.
I don't care. Get away.
Okay, they
Back
told
up,
me
back
come
up,
on.
back up, back up,
I told
back
her
up.
I can
Hey,
go.
shut the hell up, back up.
Sierra, don't
Back
stand-
up.
They
Back
told
away
me
from
I
him.
can stand here.
No, I don't want you
Okay,
there.
they
You see how
gave-
many police cars are here? Back up.
They gave me permission that I can stand right
Okay,
here.
well, I don't want you
I'm
there.
not doing anything.
I told you to back up.
Okay, and
This is an officer safety issue.
I
Back
am
up.
back. I'm standing right here. You don't have to be nasty.
You see
At
how many
all.
police cars are here? Back up.
You don't have to be nasty.
I'm not being
either.
nasty. I'm giving you an
Okay,
order.
So
Back
I
up.
am back.
Hell up. Is that not nasty?
He's right there.
Doesn't matter.
I am back. You're being nasty.
Back up.
I am back. He's right there. I am back. You don't have to be nasty. I'm standing right here.
You see what we're here for, right?
I talked to them. This was a graduation party. This is a graduation party.
Yeah, and look what's here for a graduation
Okay.
party.
So you don't.
Wow.
So I'm not going no goddamn way. I don't have to sit. I can stand out. Don't listen. Don't put your hands on me, bro.
We're way past
I can
that.
stand out.
Sit.
No.
Sit.
No. I don't have to.
Listen to me. You need to listen.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Because you're going to go to jail.
No, I
I'm trying to
don't.
prevent
I don't
that.
have to go to jail. I didn't do shit. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
One second.
I didn't do shit. I know.
but
I know.
listen,
Calm
listen.
down. Calm down.
They got to calm everything down. They got to calm everything down.
Listen.
listen.
You're going to jail 100%.
Why am I going to jail?
100%.
Why am I didn't fight
You're going to
though.
jail too, yeah.
But I didn't fight though.
You did.
I did not.
We're trying to calm everybody down. You're fighting.
Everybody else was fighting too.
Yeah, we were
Mom!
starting this.
Mom! Oh, can I get my other shoe at least?
When we break it up, you continue to try and start it.
I didn't listen.
That's when you become a problem.
Can you listen to me?
What?
Okay, I wasn't fighting actually. I was literally trying to. But no, I was not fighting. I was literally yelling. That's the only thing. I did not touch nobody. I did not do anything. Miss Michelle, please can you come over here? Please come over here. She's in handcuffs. They have her in handcuffs. They said I'm going to jail indefinitely.
Indefinitely? You're gonna be out in a few hours.
You just said I was going to jail.
Yeah, you are.
Why am I going to jail?
Because when we say calm down, you don't try to instigate a more
I didn't
fight.
try to instigate.
Right. Everything's on video, dude. Sit in the
Can
car.
I see it?
You'll see it in court. Kick your legs in.
I ain't do shit. All I did was break up the damn fight. All I did, that's all I did. Y'all gonna arrest me. So, I'm trying to break up the damn fight and y'all gonna put me in goddamn handcuffs. What the am I resisting? I ain't resisting.
Do you have anything on you?
I don't have nothing but my damn phone. That's
Okay,
it.
nothing sharp, right? I don't want to get poked with anything.
It's some only Clearwater's finest. I swear. Don't do your job for nothing else.
So I'm going to, obviously, because you're not free to leave right now, I was just going to talk to you about what happened over there. When you were in the Polish Center today, you were mentioning earlier about someone you grabbed and moved out of the way. Who was that?
A boy tried to go up to one of my cousins, which is a girl, so I stepped in front of him and grabbed him and put my hands on him.
Is it some random kid you know? Like you grabbed some random kid, or do you know him?
No.
You don't know him?
No.
So, okay. Did you hit him to move him out of the way, or just pretty much grabbed and shoved him? Is what you're saying?
I pretty much just like pushed him back.
Pushed him back?
Yeah. I grabbed onto his shirt and just like pushed him back.
Okay. So you grabbed onto his shirt, pushed him back, and then what did he do then? What happened then?
He didn't do anything because he couldn't do anything.
Okay. Alright. And then at that point, what happened next?
At that point, I got grabbed. I got took outside, and then I came back inside, and then two of my cousins, they grabbed me, started to walk to the other door, and then next thing I know, I'm getting pointed at by officers, and then got handcuffed.
Yeah. I mean, I was one of the ones that handcuffed you, but what I'm thinking is because of what was seen, you know, we don't know. Obviously, we're not too sure what led up to. I mean, your involvement was obviously grabbing this kid, pushing him. You know what I mean? So that's probably why you're in this situation right now. But just you know what I'm saying. Next time when we're up there, just that's the time to leave. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to be sitting here again, man. Just hang tight for me, okay, bud?
You calm down now. What's your date of birth, miss? What's a good phone number for you?
I don't have a phone.
You don't have a phone?
Nope.
You had a phone on you.
I had a phone on me though. Don't make it my phone.
Okay, listen. You can either cooperate with
That's
me.
not my phone.
And I can
It
issue
was not
citations,
my
or I'll take
phone.
you down to county.
It was not my phone.
For communication, ma'am.
It's not my phone. That was my daughter's phone. I don't have a phone on me. My daughter put my phone and put her phone in my.
Okay, you said that she didn't have a phone number. She said the phone they got off is her. And I told her, I said, you need to calm down. That's my niece. And I told her, I said, this sergeant is willing to give you a ticket. I don't have a number. I said, well, give her my number. She said, I just got a new number. Her phone is in there. I can go get it and get her number to give y'all. I don't want to see that woman go to jail.
I don't want to see her go to jail either.
Okay.
That's why I want to give her a notice.
Can you please?
But she continues on with the way she gives me no choice.
I can't believe this party went to this.
All right. Have you given the information that he needs, ma'am?
He asked me for my phone number. I told him I don't have a phone. The phone that he took off me was my daughter's phone.
Okay. All he wants to do is leave.
I'm lying about what?
Listen, I don't care whether she's got a phone, doesn't have a phone. What's your phone number?
I don't have a phone.
Give a phone number.
I don't know no phone numbers off the top of my head. I don't know your number off the top of my head, Mom.
Well, I'm giving it to you.
Well,
Take mom's number.
727.
Write that down on the ticket.
608.
Get her a disappearance ticket or an appearance ticket, and let's get this thing resolved now. I
Thank
don't want her
you.
going to jail. All right, let's get two sites. She's going to get 2 tickets. One for the disturbance, and the second one is for giving us a hard time as far as the obstruction.
Thank you.
Done and over with.
All right, Mr. Tucker, would you mind stepping out? He's gonna give you this paperwork, and we're gonna get you out of here. Okay? I'd like to take pictures because obviously the officer.
for what?
Because in case you're injured.
I'm not injured. Just get me up out these handcuffs so I can get the hell on.
Yeah, I will. Okay. Here, can you face me for me? Yep. Because the officer was physical with you. That's why I'm doing this. I'm doing this for you.
Nah.
I don't want to make sure you don't have any injuries on your arms. Can you turn back towards the car?
You won't know that until later on.
Okay. Are you in pain anywhere, ma'am?
Arms.
Okay. All right. He's gonna hand you his paperwork. I'm gonna take these off you, and we're gonna get you out of here. All right. He's just gonna give you a copy of that, and you're good to go, ma'am. And it doesn't mean you're guilty. It just means you acknowledge you got a copy.
Okay, that's not a proper signature.
That's my signature.
Okay, you can either do it correctly or go to jail. I'm taking it. It's off the back.
I just signed it. I signed it. You just watched me sign it. That's some bullshit.
Okay, man.
Yeah, he just want to take somebody to jail tonight.
I'm not dealing with her anymore. I don't know why Sarge is trying to release her.
What she did?
She's just doing X's over. She's not making any attempt to sign that. So
She signed it. X could be a scratch.
she's just scribbling on
Ma,
the paper.
get my keys. They take me to jail.
She signed over all of it.
I signed it.
She wants to continue to play stupid games.
What?
She's just scribbling all over the paper. I'm not dealing with this anymore, okay?
You signed it, but you didn't sign a property.
I told you multiple times.
You ain't tell me multiple times.
Tell her, just, you know something, deal with it.
It's ultimately my decision. I'm the arresting officer. I'm making that call.
So, your mom's, she's going back to jail, okay?
Why?
Because we tried to give her a ticket to release her, for her to go home, but she refused to sign it. But what I'm saying, dude, you see her, it's like in the van and stuff, don't get all worked up because it's just going to delay your process of getting out, okay? She refused to sign the ticket. If you don't sign it, we can't.
Can she still sign it now?
No, it's too late. You'll be able to talk to her in the van. You'll probably sit next to her. Or you'll be able to talk to her through the partition. But just don't get all worked up because...
So how long is she going to be in?
Same amount of time as you.
She just got disobedient.
Same charge. Same type of charge. I don't know if it's the same exact charge, but she'll be in there. Same. You guys will probably get released together.
Thank you. So, on up there. Watch your head when you get up there. Have a seat.